taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to have loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I was so excited because guess where I went to? I went to Ulta. And if you know that I went to Ulta and you've already read the title of this video, then you know today I'm going to be trying out for the first time / reviewing the Morphe x James Charles palette. You guys, whoa, that's all I'm really going to say. Whoa. So I created this eye look, this gorgeous eye look with this palette. Whoa. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and you want to know the gist and the tea about this eyeshadow palette, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's see what we are working with. So I actually haven't watched any other reviews on this palette because I don't want to be biased. I want to like have my own like genuine you know, feedback. I want to give you guys my genuine feedback on how I feel this palette is doing. So this is what we're working with. It's actually pretty big. It's a big palette. I hope like the pans are huge. Oh my god. Look, you guys, this is beautiful. Ooh, and I just love like the mix of like the foil shadows and the matte shadows and then the shimmer. If you got a few shimmers in here. Oh my god. What should I create, you guys? This palette deserves a masterpiece. I really love how this palette is just, I feel like it's a one-step palette. Like, oh my god, I love the names. You have like Spooky for the black, Code James, You're Kidding, Shook. Yeah, these are really, really cute. And then Flashback for white. That is so funny. And right here it just says, unleash your inner artist. Say less, okay? So off the back, I do notice some kickback in the pan. But let's see how it performs on moi. We're actually going to go in with 10% off first before using the darker shade. So we're going to do 10% off, and I'm just going to be adding it right into right here. Just pulling that into my crease. So I'm going to take No Beans. And we're going to just play with No Beans right here. Blend it up. Next, I'm pretty much going to just cut my crease using the Maybelline Age Your Line concealer. Just like a flat brush. I'm going to start off by using Tone, just the lightest color, and we're just going to pack that on. Okay, next we're going to take Code James, and then I'm just going to add it right in the middle. 10% off, and then just pack it on right at the end. That's pretty much all there is for the eye look. And then to highlight my tear duct, I'm going to take Face right here. I'm pretty much just going to highlight my tear duct. I'm loving this look. I'm loving this palette right now. Oh my god. So while my face dries, I'm going to go ahead and start on my lips. I'm going to be using Chestnut by MAC, and this new lip gloss that I'm trying out is from MORPHE Cosmetics, and this is in the color Bubblegum. At this point, if it's not chestnut, I don't know if I really want to use it. But that's such a pretty gloss, my god. It's very thick. I like it though. Oh my god, that looks like a perfect lip combo. I am loving it. So for my highlight, I'm also using another product by Vanost or Vanost. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Vanost. Vanost or Vanost, whatever, cosmetics. And this is their high definition pigment in the color Glow. Okay, so I'm going to be using, I think you can use this as like an eyeshadow pigment. You can use it for highlighter. It's just a very versatile pigment. They really did that, okay? I'm going back into the James Charles palette. Oh yes, honey. So far, I haven't even put on my falsies and I'm already feeling myself this much. Okay, so for my false lashes today, I'm going to be using some lashes from the Lash Box. I love the packaging just to start off, and then it has the different names at the behind. It has La Skitty, Nina, Hums, Sade, RX, and Somi. I don't know which one I'm going to use just yet, but let's open it up. You guys, these lashes are so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm so confused. I don't even know which ones to use. But I'm leaning towards either Nina or Sade. One of these two. Actually, no. RX actually looks really good. Okay, let's go for... We're going to go for Nina. Bottom of my eyes. My lower lash line. I'm actually gonna, I wanted to add a little bit more color because this is unleashing the inner artist in me. So I'm actually gonna just take this color right here. I may use these two blues. Let me see. That is Brother. I'm taking Brother. Oh yes, Brother. Come through, Brother. I love it. So now for the inner corner, I'm going in with Hello, and this is this color right here. Place that. Okay, you guys, so overall my experience with this palette was amazing. I definitely feel like the color payout is really nice, but I did notice that a lot of the colors appeared darker on my eyelids than in the actual pan itself. I don't know if that's because of the concealer I use, or maybe because, you know, as a woman of color, I'm not quite sure why it was like that. I also noticed some kickback in the actual pan of the shadow. Not a lot of fallout on my actual like skin, or like, you know, when I was applying the shadow on my eyes, but there was a lot in the actual like pan of the shadow. I tried the foil color underneath my eye, and that applied really well, and the mattes also seemed to really apply well. I felt like the I forgot the name of the color it was. So the color I used kind of in front seemed a little bit chalky than the rest. And I've noticed that for a lot of like yellows and like true nudes and stuff like that, like beige and like colors like this, a lot of them in a lot of palettes tend to become like they're more, I don't know if it's how they make them, but they seem more powdery and like chalky and like than the others. I mean, these are things that we see in all palettes or a majority of palettes, so I don't even think that's like a minus. It doesn't take away from the actual palette itself. The looks that I feel like you can create with this one palette is like unending. I love how it's a diversity of colors. You have a transition color in there, you have a black, you have a white, a pure white in there. Just having those two end of spectrum colors, and then you have like the full rainbow in between. You have the glitter, you have foil, and you have matte shades. Okay, like this is like, I picked this palette up and I don't want to drop it. So I really love like the ideas that I just felt like were coming in when I was trying to like create a look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys loved what you saw. If you're not already a part of my family, please join by hitting the subscribe button down below. Like this video, share it with your friends. You know, support your girl, leave comments down below, and follow me on all my other social media platforms, and I will see you guys in my next one, God willing. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.